Today we're talking about how to grow your channel on YouTube from 0 to 100 subs. Stay tuned for more. Hey guys, Kels here, back with another video on the channel. This time it's a little different because for once I won't be covering a game. I'm going to be telling you how I reached 100 subs, and I'll give you a few tips on how I did it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, first off, you should establish what kind of channel you want to be and stick with it. For example, I'm a gaming channel, and as you can see, I play games. I play a few games that keep people coming back for the content they like. So, if you're a gaming channel, don't start vlogging. Don't start making vlogging videos or top 10 videos unless they're about gaming, or vice versa, because then your viewers will just be confused on what they're getting from you, and they're just they won't subscribe, or they're just unsubscribe, and you really don't want that to happen. There's a lot of channels that just start off playing games, and then they stop playing games, and they start vlogging, and they stop vlogging, and they make top 10s. Then after the top 10s, to do like cooking or something. I'm just giving you examples, and that's what would really hurt you in the long run. Next, do not do sub for sub. Alright, so a lot of people may do this, but you should just stop. It's not really helping you. You'll get a high sub count, like 200 people, or even higher, and then you only get like 30 views, and that's pointless, because subscribers really mean nothing if you only have like 30 views. Like what's that doing for you? So long story short, if you do sub for sub, you'll have a dead subscriber base, and you won't really grow. You'll just have subscribers, and subscribers, no views, and that's not how you want to do things. So yeah, if you really want to focus on growing your channel, make intriguing thumbnails, catchy titles, and add a ton of relevant but good tags, and because each view is a possible subscriber, so if you work hard enough, you'll get them the legitimate way. Next off, make an end screen. It's not that difficult, and it's for what it's worth, it's great. It brings in more views, gets people to watch more of your content, and if you watch more of some content, you're more likely to subscribe and keep watching it. So an end screen is pretty much a 10 to 20 second clip. Yeah, 10 to 20 second clip at the end of your video that has, it has a video you did, or maybe 2 videos or 4 videos, how many videos you really want to put, but not too many. Oh, and then like a subscribe button or something, and if you click the video or the subscribe button, it'll take you to the subscribe screen, or it will take you to the to that video, and that gets people to watch your content. That's good. It's good for keeping people watching your content, or to try and convert a potential subscriber into a subscriber. Alright, so sorry if you just heard that. Next off is use social media. It can only really help you, and by bringing more traffic to your channel. I personally use Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit all the time to promote my channel. I ask for critiques and and more stuff like that. And it's just a great tool to help you on your YouTube journey. So, use Instagram. Tell people you have a new video, even if you're small like I am. Tell people, I have a new video, and maybe someone will go watch it, and then they'll share it around. And it can really do nothing but help you, because it's not like if you say that even if people weren't gonna watch it, they weren't gonna watch it anyway. So it's really a no-brainer to use it. I know it's hard getting from 0 to 100 subs, but it's one of the hardest things on YouTube. It's difficult. I understand that. It took me like a year, but yeah, so it took me a year, and that's quite a long time for 100 subs. But you have to do what you have to do. You don't always succeed at first. You gotta try and try again. That's just how things work. So it requires hard work and dedication, and just keep that in mind when you're working on your YouTube channel. If it didn't take hard work and dedication, everyone would become a YouTuber, because, you know, why not? But overall, just keep in mind the tips I told you. It helps a lot, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and comment. And we're on the verge of 200 subs, so if you could drop a sub, that would be greatly appreciated. Oh man. So yeah, until the next video, which will probably be video games. Yeah, I know you probably missed that. Kel's out.